Flooding in Afghanistan this month killed more than 180 people, the Taliban said, appealing to the international community for help. Flooding has wrought widespread devastation in central and eastern Afghan provinces in recent weeks, washing away thousands of houses and exacerbating the country's economic and humanitarian crisis. Mujahid said 182 people had been killed by floods this month and 250 injured. More than 3,100 houses had been completely destroyed and thousands of livestock killed. Around 200,000 people were affected by flooding and 20 people, including at least 6 children, had been killed with 2 more missing, the UN Children's Agency said. Afghanistan has been reeling from natural disasters this year, including a drought and an earthquake that killed more than 1,000 people in June. The nation has been largely cut off from the international financial system since the Taliban took over a year ago.